Greetings, my people. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, a warm welcome to you. Feel at home and enjoy your stay. To all my channel members and all my supporters, thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate you. Silent viewers, stop peeping the window, just come in and just do the do. As you can see by the title, I am making Ghetto style oxtail. Come along with me. Let me show you.
Jay, them say it tastes nice every time when you cook all my finger, my bite. Food delicious, me have to do it every time. Share with my friend them, comment, like. Sister Jay, real top chef that a fuck. Chop, 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 chop. Chop the potato, chop the carrot. What leap of spice of it there in the pot. Sister Jay, she no play to the world where we say when not time to cook, she no delay. Me swear.
Here is my turkey neck already seasoned, washed in vinegar and lime and seasoned. I'll put a full list of all the seasoning on the left. Here I have some sweet pepper, that's the mini sweet pepper, parsley, hot pepper, scallion, bay leaf, thyme, onion. I have oxtail seasoning, garlic powder, pimento, all-purpose seasoning, meat seasoning, complete seasoning. So I use half of that powder seasoning and season up the turkey neck, and then I have some remaining for the finishing. I have garlic, ginger, and now I'm adding some oil to the pot. I'm adding my ginger and my garlic. So now I'm adding the turkey neck in, and I'm gonna have this fry up and then cook down some before I started to add any form of liquid. At this point, I'm not gonna put browning. I will put some browning after frying it down because I don't want to fry it with the browning and get it too dark. Okay, so if you're here for the first time and you are not yet connected with me, what are you waiting on? Just go ahead, do the do. Hit that red subscription button, put that post notification bell on so you can be notified of future upload. Now that my turkey is already fried up, I'm adding some hot water to it, and at this point I'm adding some browning. So I'm just gonna mix this up, stir it up, in and out. Here I have some oxtail seasoning. Yes, this is what they call the oxtail soup mix. And I'll be using that in my turkey neck. You hear me say, I get a style oxtail, me I cook? Yes, me I go get that oxtail taste from it. Yes, so now I'm adding the remaining of my seasoning. That's the oxtail seasoning, the complete seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, and the pimento. Yes, guys. So, me I cook turkey neck, but in Jamaica we call it ghetto style oxtail. So this is my oxtail. I'm adding some onion to the pot. Yes, I'm just mix this up. And now I'm adding some scallion, bay leaf, and thyme. Yes. And also the parsley. Guys, this smells so good. I'm just gonna cover that and simmer down. Now I'm adding some red wine vinegar to that, and this is optional. Now I'm adding some carrots. Now it's time to add the oxtail soup mix. And if you have never tried this oxtail soup mix, you can try it in your oxtail or you can try it in your turkey neck. Here I have my butter bean, my bell pepper, my hot pepper, my ketchup, some chili powder, and yes, I'm gonna finish it up with that. I'm adding the beans, and now I'm adding the bell pepper and the hot pepper. Now I'm adding the ketchup. I'm using 2 tablespoons of ketchup, and I'm just gonna mix this in and stir it out. Now I'm adding the chili pepper. Yes. Look at my Ghetto Oxtail. Smell good, you see? So guys, look at it. Pata bubble up. So yes, guys, this is what my turkey neck looks like. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, what are you waiting on? Just do the do. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Eat good, live good, walk good, pray good. One love. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself. Please subscribe for more.